Of course, I can provide you with some keto-friendly recipes. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that can help you achieve and maintain a state of ketosis. Here are a few recipe ideas to get you started. 1. Avocado and bacon breakfast bowl. Ingredients: 2 avocados, halved and pitted, 4 slices of bacon, cooked and crumbled, 4 eggs, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 F, 175 degrees Celsius. Scoop out a little bit of flesh from each avocado half to create a larger hollow. Place the avocado halves in a baking dish to prevent them from tipping over. Crack an egg into each avocado half, sprinkle with crumbled bacon, salt, and pepper. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the eggs are cooked to your liking. 2. Cauliflower crust pizzas. Ingredients: 1 medium cauliflower head, grated 1 egg, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Keto-friendly pizza sauce. Toppings of your choice, example: pepperoni, mushrooms, bell peppers, olives. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 F, 200 degrees Celsius. Microwave the grated cauliflower for 4 to 5 minutes, then let it cool. Squeeze out excess moisture from the cauliflower using a clean kitchen towel. In a bowl, mix the cauliflower, egg, half of the shredded mozzarella, oregano, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Press the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, forming a thin crust. Bake the crust for about 10 to 15 minutes, until it's golden and firm. Remove the crust from the oven and spread keto-friendly pizza sauce over it. Sprinkle the remaining mozzarella cheese and add your desired toppings. Bake for another 10 to 15 minutes, until the cheese is melted and bubbly. 3. Garlic butter steak bites. Ingredients: 1 lb, 450 g, sirloin steak, cubed, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 cloves garlic, minced salt and pepper to taste, chopped parsley for garnish. Instructions: season the steak cubes with salt and pepper. In a skillet over medium-high heat, melt the butter, add the minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add the steak cubes to the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they reach your desired level of doneness. Remove from heat, garnish with chopped parsley, and serve.